So you might be wondering if your Android phones slow down over time. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe you have your Android phone just like this, whether it's a Samsung or a Google Pixel, whatever you have, and you're playing around with it, and you're like, well, will my phone slow down over the next couple of years? Now, the short answer of this is yes, your phone will slow down over time. That doesn't necessarily mean it will slow down right now, but over time, your phone will just naturally slow down. And the reason for that is because your particular device, as it stands right now, all the applications, all the software updates, everything like that are tailored to the fastest phones. Let's say you bought the fastest phone of this year. This phone and the application that you see all over the place are tailored to that particular device. Next year, when those phones come out, those software updates, those applications are going to be tailored to that device, so on and so forth. As phones get faster and faster, these app developers, these phone manufacturers are going to start tailoring their software to those newer phones to take advantage of the newer hardware. So because of that, your phone is just naturally going to slow down because the applications, the phone doesn't have the hardware that the newer phones have. So that's why there might be some sort of problems that you might be running into there. Now, with that being said, your phone can also go through and slow down over time the more you use it, typically because of software updates and because of just cache and applications kind of going on in the background. The more and more apps you download, the more and more things you have installed on your device, the more processes you have, the more your phone is also going to basically be going through and kind of slowing down because it has more, applications running in the background and those types of things. But these phones are still fast depending on which one you get. You're still going to be getting a fast phone, but keep in mind your phone is, it's definitely going to slow down over time for sure. So from that side, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.